You are welcome in another episode of AWS Fundamental Series. Today we will see how to configure static website over S3. First, we need to create a static web page including index.html and error.html page, which we will create from Visual Studio Code. Then we will create a public bucket. Just configure a static website hosting feature over this bucket and upload these pages to this bucket. Now I will take you to Visual Studio Code where we are going to develop our two web pages. Here you go and open the folder. I have already created a folder with the name my web. You just select it, and when you see my web page, you see a new file option over there. Just click here and name it index.html. So here you just write h1. This is my main index page, and simply close it and save it. We have to create another page with the name error.html, and here we use the same heading 1. This is error page. Simply close it and save it. Remember the name of these two pages because they have to be same when we configure our AWS bucket. Now we will go to our AWS bucket. Okay, here if we go to Amazon S3, we just create a bucket. We called it 00 test web static web 99. That name has to be unique, so I use 00 and 99. It will be in the North Virginia. You can have select any other region. This bucket need to be accessed through internet, so that's why we need to configure the public access. And that's it. You just create a bucket. The bucket is here configured, so you just select, go to the properties. In the end, you see static website hosting. Just edit it, enable it, and write the same name that we configured in Visual Studio Code. Save changes. Now go to the objects, upload. So you need to upload these two pages that we have created in Visual Studio Code, and make sure that these objects should also be accessed by public. So we just need to configure in under the access control list everyone public access, so that these two files can also be accessed through internet. Then just upload it. So this is it. Our configuration has been done. It's the time to verify. So let's go to the properties again. Scroll down. You will see the bucket website endpoint. So this is a website that has been created against our static website. You just need to copy it, and in another browser just paste it. So you will see that our page will be appear. This is my index page, right? Thank you very much for now. Hope to see you in the next session. Thank you.